So if you're like me at all and you like to sharpen and use a strop to do honing, or just to touch up your blades, and you're thinking about changing from, say, that green compound that comes with a lot of strops to, say, a diamond paste, I've got a cool little tip and trick for you. I build my own strops, so it's no problem, but each strop can be expensive, 20 to 40 bucks, depending on the size. If you've got the ability to sand and vacuum, you can actually get rid of the green compound by sanding it. And then I'm going to turn on my dust extractor with my Mirka 2.5 Deros sander, using a Abranet Ace 180 grit sandpaper. It's got a clear mesh screen, so I'm able to pull the particulates up through the mesh netting and dispose of them. And what it's done so far is turned what was this green side here into completely brand new, fresh horse butt leather that I build using my own strops. I buy leather and cut wood down and just affix it. So I'm going to turn my dust collector on, and then I'll do the rest of this, and you'll see how fast it goes. But it's a very affordable and economic process. You don't have to throw your strops away, especially if you want to be changing, get that green compound off. So here we go. So that was in real time, real speed. You can see that it cleaned it right up. Nothing got stuck in the mesh netting. And the biggest importance behind this is so you don't have grit contamination, so that green compound can have grit contamination, which means that there might be half micron size particles all the way up to 30 micron size particles. And that's not really going to be useful when you are honing a freshly sharpened blade. So I sharpen all of my hand plane blades, my knives, all of them by hand, and using a Tormek T8 with diamond grit stones. I'll show you those later. But this is an awesome way to renew your strop. Thanks for watching.